Leslie Sky. Time for a cleaning tip. A lot of people know that I am like compulsive cleaner, OCD, etc. And whenever I can find a really good cleaning hack, I hang on to it for dear life. This one, I gotta tell you, I am like loving it, and I had to share. Couldn't be selfish, wanted to share with all those other cleaning fanatics out there like me. This is really, really simple, and usually you have these ingredients in the house. That's what I love about this also, because there's a lot of times when you don't have everything in the house ingredient wise. So it's kind of like a recipe, if you will. It involves salt, baking soda, dish soap, which I prefer Dawn. Dawn is awesome. And water. And hopefully you have a container. Any kind of container with a lid will work, but I tend to sometimes try to save one or two, not more than one or two, because I'm trying to watch, what I have. I don't want to become a pack rat. So I take like a old dish washing liquid container with a lid, and you get it all together, and you can use it on the sink. You can use it on your pots and pans. What I believe makes this like magical, if you will, almost, is it has salt and baking soda, and salt and baking soda are a nice abrasion. It's like gritty. It's going to basically have these little scrub, if you will, advantages to it. So try this out. Make you a container of this. It makes a pretty good, decent amount too. I'm going to show you here. Well, you probably already seen it. The amount that it made. This was the latest one I made, and as you could tell, it's almost like a bottle full. And I keep it under this kitchen sink, and I use it, like I said, awesome, by the way, in the washing like the bathtub out. Now I'm gonna put a little disclaimer: use this at your own discretion. Try it at your own discretion. For me, I've had no issues with it so far where I've tried it out. There's a couple other places around the house I want to try it out cleaning wise, but I'm absolutely loving this. And if you're like me, you didn't know of this little concoction, and you're gonna love it, and you're gonna thank me. You're gonna thank me for it. So in any event, I am glad you stopped by today, and we will talk soon. Bye for now.